Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can share a draft on TikTok. So it's pretty simple. So I have already created a draft over here. If I want to share this draft, what I need to do is upload this draft as a video, then only I can share it. But you might be thinking, no, I want to share my draft as a draft. Well, you cannot, because draft is something you cannot share. But it's a way through which you guys can share it, but other people will not know, because only you can see your draft video, which means if you're sharing your draft video with somebody else, then that means you want only them to view it. So there's a feature in TikTok that allows you to do that. So go inside your draft video, and on inside the draft video, click on next. And when you're in this section where you guys can add all the caption and all this stuff, what you want to do is this option called everyone can view this post. Click on this and change it to friends. Once you click on friends, only your friends can see it. But let's say you don't want your friend to see it as well. You can just click on only you, and only you will be able to see it. Now once you put this on only you can view this post, click on more option, and over here make sure that save to device is turned on. Now once this is turned on, what you can do is click on post. Now this video is going to be posted as your private video, alright? Now let's wait for some time now, and once the video is posted, since I have turned on save to device, this video is going to be saved on my device gallery. As you guys can see, the TikTok video is inside my device gallery. Now I can share this video wherever I want. So you can do that. You can download the draft video and share it to anybody you want. That's the only way you guys can share it. You cannot share a draft as a draft from TikTok. You have to download it and share it. So hope you understand how to share a draft video on TikTok. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.